Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Here is a walk-around video of our 2006 Toyota Tundra SR5 TRD off-road one-owner truck with 49,000 original miles. Absolutely bone stock, gorgeous truck. 4.7 V8 high-force motor. Let me back up a little bit. Go. Beautiful truck. Outside, I've also got pictures on the website as well, but there's the roof is clean, good paint, 1-year-old tires, real nice all-terrains, lots of tread depth, lots of meat left there. Factory tow package. Look underneath. No rust, no crud, one-owner truck. There's your Bilstein factory shocks for the part of the TRD off-road package. I'll pop the engine real quick. I haven't even detailed this truck yet. It's so clean. Just ran it to the car wash. The engine, timing belt's already been done at 40,000 miles, so not even 10,000 miles on the new timing belt job, which is part of the maintenance program that he did early apparently. That underneath the front. Your little skid plate. There's no leaks, no drips, nothing's wet under there. Super clean. Now we'll go to the inside. Real nice interior. No rips, no tears, no stains, no funny smells, non-smoker. Full bench in the back for 3 seats. Fold down cup holder. These also up. You have your jack storage down there, and you got more storage over here. Super clean. Headliner spotless, sliding rear window. Factory 6 CD changer, cassette, little premium sound deal, ice cold air. Fired up. 49,504 miles. Everything works.
That'll be happening in like
Radio works. CD works. I haven't checked the cassette. Air blows ice cold. Turn the cargo lamp off. Super clean truck. One owner, clean Carfax. All on the internet, all on the website for you to see. It's a one-of-a-kind truck. Thank you.